Hey guys, guess who's having a baby today? No, not me, my orchid. So, my orchid had a baby. Humans, meet Keiki. Keiki, humans. Keiki, do you love? Oh no, wait, that's Keiki. This is a Keiki. It's Hawaiian for babies, for children. It's her baby. So we're gonna repot her today. I only have this one. It's a little too big for her, but she'll be all right. So let's do this. Okay, so first go get yourself some clean scissors. I cleaned these, and we're going to cut her from, you're gonna, if you get one, you're gonna have to wait until she gets roots. See these roots? I've had her for, I don't know, maybe like 2 months already, and I was just waiting for her to get these roots. It started off as a little plant like this, and then it eventually starts to get roots. So don't cut it off before it has these roots. But now that it has them, I could cut her off. And let me see if you could see here. We're gonna cut her. This is a node that's already had flowers. So it had flowers grow here. This node, let me turn around, see if you could see it. A close up. This one's a fresh node, so we might get flowers from there now. So we're gonna cut it around here. Okay. Sorry, mommy. I'm gonna cut you now. Don't get mad. So here's the new node. Here's the old node. Cut just above the new one that hasn't produced anything. Thank you, mommy, for having a baby. Okay, so there she is. Cut off her roots. She has 4 leaves already. I'm gonna cut her just a little more over here. You see? Whoa. And then we're gonna put her here. Here's my orchid mix. Whoops, I put too much. Okay, see how it has a lot of holes for her to breathe? Okay, then you're gonna put her here. Try not to get her mad, get her roots mad. Fill it halfway, put her roots down. And I know everybody thinks like the pretty part about orchids is the flowers, which obviously they're beautiful, but the orchid leaves help you clean the air. So that's why I have a couple around in my house, because I like clean air. Who doesn't? Okay, and just fill her up a little more. Ah! She's drowning. Okay. And she's not going to be in the center apparently, because orchids like to go wherever they want. See, this one's all, they start falling. That's why I have this straw on her, and I try to straighten her, but she's like, no, I want to go this way. Okay. And that's it, you guys. Super simple, right? Ta-da, that's it. And then you can put her in whatever decorative pot you have. Let's see. I don't have one. This is just a white pot. It's kind of dirty right now. I'm gonna have to buy her one. I found a pot for her. But before I put her in the pot, I'm gonna leave her in this water so she could drink it up for maybe like an hour. I leave them there like for an hour, and then I'll transfer her over here. And that's it. It was pretty easy, right? I mean, you just chop her off and put her there. But again, like I said, remember to wait till they get roots. That way you could do it. And that's it. Then I'll transfer her here. And we got a new orchid plant. Yay! Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.